Did you know that Ghana was the first African country to gain independence, and it was all thanks to Dr. Kwame Nkrumah? Born in 1909 in the small Ghanaian village of Nkrumah became a champion of the Pan-African movement. He served as secretary of the West African National Secretariat and the Pan-African Congress, expressing his vision of a united Africa in his books like Africa Must Unite and Neocolonialism, the last stage of imperialism. His unique ability to inspire and mobilize people led Ghana to independence in 1957, making it the first sub-Saharan African country to break free from colonial rule. As Ghana's first prime minister and later president, he famously said,
"Our independence is meaningless unless it is linked up with the total liberation of the African continent."
Though overthrown in 1966, Nkrumah's teachings and literary works have inspired Pan-African movements around the world, and his legacy as a symbol of African freedom and unity continues to endure. I have a broader story on this topic coming up. Subscribe to this channel to be among the first to be notified when we release the video.